Going on, everybody? This is Big Dog Dave, and I got a Cheese's mini mystery box. So this is one of his newer ones that was a small run, I think, and or he did a small last run, and there's some nice packs that you can get in there. So let's see what packs we get. So chase card? Nope. It's not a bad card though. It's a promo from XY. That's pretty cool. We got Stellar Crown. Oh, I can't see anything. Hold on. Stellar Crown, Twilight, Paldea, Silver Tempest, Brilliant Stars, and Phantom Forces. That was a, let's see. So that's the minimum guarantee. So that's not too bad. We'll take a Phantom Forces. Hopefully we get a nice pull out of it though. So Brilliant Stars is one of my favorite sets of all time. Paldea Evolve was up there. Twilight Mountain. I mean, when Silver Tempest is the worst pack you get in the box, and that's my opinion, it's not too bad. Nothing in that one. Stellar Crown. Nope. Oh, there goes some card. Twilight Masquerade. So I think these were $100, but it is what it is and was what it was, and now we're opening them. So it looks like something could be back there. No, nothing's back there. So much for something back there. 3 packs left. One is a Phantom Forces. I've never in my life opened a Phantom Forces pack, so pretty excited about that. This has something. This is what, Paldea? Cooked by a Full Art. We'll take it, but I'm just saying. Got a little excited there. Brilliant Stars. Obviously, Charizard Alt Art would be a nice little hit. It's not. Ooh, that's a good hit though. Take fucking that all day. That's a fucking banger right there. I'm not sure what that card book's at right now, but it's definitely up there in value. We'll take that. That's a winner. And the last pack, XY Phantom Forces. I don't know pack tricks. I don't know anything, so we're just gonna go through it. Any bat? Golbert and dun dun dun. Should have kept it sealed. How do you do that to yourself? That's it. So there was a holo there. I don't think it matters. The Umbreon is the big winner in that, and that's all I got. So I hope you enjoyed, and thank you, Cheese, for shipping this fast and changing the address again because I'm an idiot. I do appreciate it, and yeah, we got that card. That holo that I can't get off the table. So let's probably worth like what, $1 maybe. All right, later. Thanks.